First time kong itatry tong Wet Brush Easy Blowout Brush. And let's see kung worth the hype nga ba siya. Katatapos ko lang maligo and tignan niyo yung hair ko. Sobrang daming tangles. Pero with the Wet Brush Easy Blowout Brush, sobrang dali niya lang i-glide sa hair ko. Hindi siya humihila, so mas gentle siya while detangling. Since ceramic plate rin siya, mas even yung heat distribution. Kaya mas mabilis ako nakakapag-style. I also love na nagbibigay siya ng volume while leaving my hair smooth and looking like I just came from the salon. I also like yung shape niya kasi parang round brush effect siya. So nagkakaroon ng volume and mas smooth yung finish ng hair without too much effort. For a first impression, I'm honestly impressed. Ang smooth, bouncy, and healthy-looking ng hair ko. If you want an easier way to achieve a salon-inspired blowout at home, you can check out the Wet Brush Easy Blowout Brush.